A universalist interpretation of the play is better because settings had more feelings and a better understanding of the place. It also shows a better understanding of the characters in the book for all the visual people. Equally important, costuming showed what kind of person they were. In the Universalist plays, it was easy to identify that there was character foil between Romeo and Mercutio. It was easy to tell that they had a big difference in between them when they were both together. There was also interesting figurative language. There was a lot of irony catching everyone's attention, like in the ending where Romeo thought Julia was dead, but she wasn't. There was also pathetic fallacy in the scene of Mercutio dying. The weather and him had a connection. Also, when scenes were light, it was more happy or peaceful. In dark scenes, it was mad or sad. The socio-cultural aspects. Back in the Renaissance time, men roles were played by men, and women roles were also played by men, making it an okay feeling. In modern time, there was Romeo, the lovey-dovey man, and Juliet, who played a strong female role. It was better in this way, or format, where it was understandable. Overall, Universalist plays were better, easier, and understandable, and Historicist is hard and not understandable.